War weapons have changed dramatically over the years. I mean, if you go back in time, we had weapons like wooden arrows, swords, and cannons. We then saw the addition, several years later, of bullets, missiles, and jets. Now weapons are evolving even further, where they no longer need men to fight the battles in the field, and instead they'll be fought by the machines. The cost per weapon will also be much lower and much quicker to build compared to the 8-year construction, let's say, of aircraft carriers, like the USS Gerald R. Ford at a cost of $13 billion. The weapons of today are becoming very smart with the assistance of AI and far cheaper to build than in the past. In my opinion, defense is not something that the United States wants to go cheap on, and I'm glad to see we do spend about $1.1 trillion yearly on defense to protect our country. We will still need pilots, but instead of one pilot per plane, there are now unmanned collaborative combat aircrafts known as CCAs, where one pilot can command 10 pilotless planes. It appears the industry is changing quickly, and I'm happy to report that the United States is in the lead with developing smart weapons. For investors looking at the defense contractors in the United States, there are some big names like Lockheed Martin and Northrop Grumman, whose stocks are not too expensive, but I also wouldn't say they are on sale. There are also smaller companies like AeroVironment and San Diego-based Kratos Defense and Security Solutions that should continue to grow as the war game changes, but would definitely be riskier investments. Overall, as defense changes, the area of defense contractors should continue to grow as we look forward. I'm Chase Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, be sure to give it a like or comment, and feel free to check out our other YouTube videos and weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.